Hello to all committee judges and audience of ES 2021. My name is Dr. Shayan Fatma Azad. I am BEMS graduate from Hamdard University, Karachi. Currently, I am enrolled in MPhil program in Jinnah University for Women and my major subject is medicine. I am also working as Assistant Manager Healthcare Product Marketing at Hamdard Laboratories, Pakistan since September 2020. I am a member of Review Board of Journals from Advanced Educational Institute and Research Center AEIRC, namely International Journal of Women Empowerment and International Journal of Endorsing Health Science and Research. I am also associated with multiple volunteer organizations as key volunteer. I started career as freelancer back in June 2020. My other two fellows in this project are Maryam Mahmood and Huda Khan. Both are undergraduates currently studying in Jinnah University for Women in the Department of Eastern Medicine and Surgery. That's all about my introduction. Let's move forward with the description of poster. The topic that describes my research work is acid neutralizing activity of polyherbal formulation, mainly punicate syrup, comprising of 4 traditional herbs: Punica granatum, Glycyrrhiza glabra, Tinospora cardifolia, Phyllanthus emblica. These drugs are well known for their acid neutralizing and anti-ulcer activities. Herbal antacids are one of the major class of over-the-counter drugs used by patients for the treatment of acidity, heartburn, and dyspepsia due to many adverse effects of allopathic medicine. Moreover, according to WHO, 80% of world population uses herbal or traditional medicine for their primary healthcare need because herbal medicines are considered harmless and can be taken without prescription. Moving further in my poster, I'll be explaining the method used for the preparation of punicate syrup, and sidewise I will discuss the benefits of the major ingredients involved in the making of the syrup. The major ingredients are Punica granatum, Tinospora cardifolia, Phyllanthus emblica, and Glycyrrhiza glabra. Punica granatum, also known as anar or pomegranate, its outer peel extract has shown protection against gastric ulcer via its antioxidant properties, and it has also shown anti-H. pylori activity. Glycyrrhiza glabra, commonly known as mulethi, is widely used for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-ulcerogenic, and as gastric mucosal protective agent. Tinospora cardifolia, commonly known as gillu, shows anti-ulcer activity. Phyllanthus emblica, commonly known as amla, gives protection against gastric ulcer and also contains healing properties on gastric ulcer by increasing PGE2 and pro-angiogenesis factors. The method used for the preparation of punicate syrup was the decoction method, comprising Punica granatum 400 mg, Tinospora cardifolia 350 mg, Phyllanthus emblica 250 mg, and Glycyrrhiza glabra 250 mg. All the benefits of herbal ingredient used in punicate syrup, which I discussed earlier, shows that patients with peptic ulcer and stomach ulcer, which are mainly caused by H. pylori, can be treated using this herbal formulation, unlike treating them with NSAIDs, which causes erosions, hemorrhage, and perforation of the mucosa. Moving towards the discussion and conclusion of my poster, this formulation acts as a ready reference for further biological studies that should be taken under consideration, and the above described polyherbal formulation is an effective cytoprotective and acid neutralizing composition. Further studies are required to evaluate proven effect of this medicine. That's all from my poster. I hope the poster will be of immense use to the readers and judges of ES 2021. Have a good day, everyone.